KOC was established in 1934 by the Anglo-Persian Oil Company, which is known today as British Petroleum, and the Gulf Oil Corporation, now known as Chevron. After the discovery of oil, Kuwait transformed into a modern country with all the amenities that advanced technology and infrastructure bring. KOC works under the umbrella of Kuwait Petroleum Company, and its vision focuses on achieving a leading worldwide position in oil and gas exploration and production, as well as growing oil reserves to ensure the sustainability of production. The company aims to be an employer of choice and make the best use of modern technologies. It is also working very hard to promote compliance with HSE standards. KOC also seeks excellence in performance throughout all areas of its operation, and the company is committed to support the local economy and serving the community. The company continues to work for achieving its objectives and implementing its projects while strengthening its human and technical capabilities in order to meet the challenges in the global oil industry and to fulfill its role as a major global supplier of energy.